Take a moment to think about and write down your reasons for becoming a successful trader. Is it to be financially free? To never have to work again for someone else? To spend more time with your family? To travel the world? Or to prove to yourself that you can achieve something the majority of people fail at? Regardless, you have to find your why. The number one trait across successful people of all industries, all different backgrounds and trades, is passion. You have to find your why and you have to be passionate about it. This is a very tough job, and the only way you're going to get back up when you get knocked down is if you're passionate about what you're doing. So find your why, write that why down, and fall in love with the process. If you fall in love with the process of trading, I promise you will end up being a profitable trader. But if you're constantly just looking for the outcome and the results and you're not in love with the process, you're not going to have the motivation to get back up. And believe me when I tell you, you are going to get knocked down. So take a moment, write down your reason for becoming a successful trader, and keep it right next to your trading journal. Because times are going to get rough, and you need to keep yourself motivated in the right frame of mind.